So all NVIDIA graphics card users, if you have any RTX or GTX version of your graphics card, then you have the flexibility to use NVIDIA Broadcast brought to you by NVIDIA. So using that, you can have your webcam loaded with features. Features as background removed, picture perfect avatar of yours as you see mine. I'm using it, so I will help you to use it as well. So we will have a quick installation process and a walkthrough of that application. So let's quickly go to our favorite website through our favorite browser. So you search NVIDIA Broadcast download in your favorite browser and you get the first link. But before getting into it, in this era of spooky, pooky things happening all around, we will verify that is HTTPS colon forward slash is surely there. Now we get into that application or the website and we verify this as well that the connection is secure. And you see this download and do it, you know it, right? Have the setup in your system, go through all the next agreements, acceptance and all. I've done all those. And so I have the application. So let's go to that application. And this is the application. You have three tabs, microphone, speakers, camera, which is the required thing. And you have for each of the tabs, you can select the device that is connected to your system, respective to that tab. So for microphone, I have my headset selected. And then you have this effects, which is very cool. So normally, right now, with the headphones on and it is connected to OBS Studio, this test will not work that properly for the real-time recorded thing, but we will try doing that, right? But it will not work, but it will work if you just switch off your OBS Studio and try to test the mic only with this application. It works. So, but yet, let's try. So we, in order to test it, what you need to do is record yourself. Record yourself with very noises. I'm making noises from a keyboard. Stop the recording. Wait. Record yourself. Record yourself with very noises. I'm making noises from a keyboard. So now what you have heard is reduced noise, right? Now if you switch it off, record yourself. Record yourself with very noises. I'm making noises from a keyboard. You still hear it, right? So as I said, it will not work. This test will not work. But if you are on with this noise removal and you are using your OBS application, that OBS application's output will be noise removed, right? So that in that way it works. But and again, if you just test it only with this application running, it will work. And we will have that feature with the speakers. With the speakers also we have this noise removal. That works pretty well even with the OBS Studio on. With this application, this test works fine. So we will here to it.
Hi there. This is a test message with air conditioning in the background. Normally, it'd be difficult to carry a conversation with someone as a result of this background
You
noise,
see?
but with NVIDIA's AI-powered noise removal, distracting sounds can be removed so you and your audience can hear loud and clear. You can test this feature by turning it on and off in the menu, or adjusting the strength of the effect.
You see it, right? And then with the camera, you get a very high resolution. You can go up to 3840 2160, right? You select the camera, you have the settings where you have a lots of settings of two tabs. That's too much. But you have the ability to fine tune it as you like. Now, I'm not going to do anything over there. So we will just have the effects in place from which I have already one applied. That you can see, right? the background removal. It works. It works. It works. Really, really, really good. I like it. Better than OBS Studio's background removal, though it has a latest update. It doesn't work the way this does. And we have video noise removal effect. Video noise removal effect is nothing but just a brightness of your elements that you see within your video. So for scenario that you are without this background removal and you have a very low light with your background, right? And you want that background to be visible properly. You have this enabled and you see each and everything a bit clear. That's it. But the main thing is eye contact beta. It works amazingly. You will see that my eyes, right, are constantly pointing towards the camera lens, even if I'm looking to somewhere else. This is what most of them are right now nowadays using. Like they're reading the transcript, looking here and there, but you are seeing that the person is looking at you or through the camera or to the camera. So I'm gonna go enable it and just look at my eyes. They are going to be shaky a bit, but it, it's not that accurate, but it works. Let's on, switch it on. Now you see, I'm looking this side, I'm looking that side, but it will constantly put your eyes on the camera. You might think that I am looking at the camera, but I'm not. I'm looking somewhere else most of the times, right? But when it is doing that, my eyes are kind of shaky. Maybe I have seen that may not be. Sometimes AI is working good, maybe, but it's what it is doing. So now I'm gonna switch that off, and then you see the difference, right? My eyes go a bit small. So that's the difference. Yeah, AI is AI. Okay, let's not get into AI much. And you have this dancing feature that you can use to dance along with it. And then you have this selfie, cute little selfie, which I'm not gonna take. So that's all about this. And beyond this, how to incorporate this, how to integrate this with your favorite application. In order to know, you have two options to do. One, to get into the site, which we are going to do right away, and there you will find this setup guide. Once you go into that, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You have a list of applications to which you have all the information that you need to integrate this application's output to that as an input to that application. So you just need to follow these and you will be done. But the second option that I said, you need to do that anyhow. Even after doing this, I had to do some sort of change with my OBS application in order to make it work properly. I mean, properly. It was working with some of the things, but some of the things were not, right? So, in order to give you an example, that within OBS Studio for video, audio, and mic, when you go to the properties, you need to select NVIDIA Broadcast, whatever it is, from the list. It should be NVIDIA Broadcast, or else things won't work. Now, only for this desktop audio, you do not need to select speakers NVIDIA Broadcast, or it will not work. It should be the one that you are hearing to actually, right? So this is the only difference, and I need to make it out, right? That's it. And anyone can, but I'm just here to guide you, right? So I need to inform you, right? That's my responsibility, man. I'm doing it. So Right now, I got this selected to my these two, right, which I can hear. And so you're capable of hearing when I play.
Hi there. This is
This
a
is
test
playing,
message
right?
with air.
Now, as soon as I remove this and select NVIDIA Broadcast, now you see it. Even if I play, you're not hearing it, right? Now, again, if I move it back to my headphones and now I play it again, you will be able to
Hi
hear it.
there. This is a test message with
So this is where it doesn't work. I don't know why, but it doesn't work. So that's it. That's all about NVIDIA Broadcast. It's a really good application. It works amazing. Superior quality background removal thing working very fine. Just play with it. And on top of that, you have a lot of features that you can download more to it. So that could be a thing of a different video, but as of now, adios. Papa. Take care. Have a great day. Do whatever you want, man.